Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Deepti. In today's experiment we are going to conduct the experiment on cut view of control wall. So the diagram which is available in front of you, I had already distributed the diagram, that is actuator section, then followed by the body section. Now you have to identify the appropriate component for each and every arrow which is shown over here. There is a drop box over here. Under that drop box you have to click on it, okay, and you have to select the appropriate component over there. Suppose if you select a correct component, for example a rain cap is a correct component for this, then it will change the color into a green. But if the component is incorrect, suppose if I select a diaphragm case instead of rain cap, then there won't be any change in the color. If the color is correct, then only your answer is correct, otherwise it is incorrect answer. You fill up all these entity by identifying the component name and submit it in my Google Classroom. It is very simple exercise. Please rewrite the name as shown in the Google Classroom and submit it. Thank you.